Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we got kind of a different video because I don't have the bike right now. Usually you guys are used to like a riding video or something about the bike, but today we're gonna be doing like a lot of you guys asked me about what I do for a living, and I'm actually a detailer, so I'm gonna take you guys through like a small little detail. It's not like what I usually do. What I usually do are like bigger projects, like full interior, like disaster details, or like ceramic coating, stuff like that. But today I had just a little maintenance wash, so I was like, might as well make a YouTube video out of it. But we're gonna be doing a maintenance wash on an MK5 Supra today, and take you guys through some of my meals. Maybe get a lift in, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and take some sups and then go make some breakfast. Okay, first some sups here. We got some vitamin D3. And these are like the supplements I just take, every day. Nothing crazy, just the normal supplements. Vitamin C, some zinc, a little multivitamin. And then lastly, some fish oil. That's pretty much it. And then I got terrible allergies, so just take some Allegra, only really on work days or if I'm going out, but if it's a normal day when I'm not really doing anything, just skip that part. For the breakfast setup, I'm gonna do 3 whole eggs. And then right here, we got 200 grams of egg whites. 213, but it's usually around 200. I just cover that, I'll let that cook. And then like halfway through, I like to douse it in pepper because, plain egg whites just ain't it. And we also do one of these every day. If you guys watch my Insta stories, it's always part of breakfast. And then we're doing 3 pieces of bagel. I usually run sourdough, but we don't got any right now. So I'm gonna let this all cook up, and then we're gonna eat some food. All right, so we got our bucket set up, the detailing set up. If you guys want a like actual in-depth tour of this in a different video, go ahead and let me know in the comments. We got all that set up, all that stuff set up. We got the Supra. It's low-key a little late, but I'm gonna let it slide. Yeah, we're doing a full exterior like maintenance wash on it. Alright, so we got the IK foam sprayer. Y'all seen it in the past videos. We got the PNS brake buster in here. And these are BMW wheels. So, the brake dust is low-key. It's caked. Gotta get up on the caliper and stuff. The tiny details like the lug nuts. Then we hit the wheel well. Then lastly, we gotta hit it with this brush.
You going to the gym today?
Yeah, I'm hitting arms.
Hitting arms? Yeah, I might hit arms too, honestly. When you going?
Probably like 4.
4?
Yeah. I like to, just kick back, relax after all this. Kick back, relax type shit.
Yeah, right.
Alright, now you just rinse the wheel off and it's basically done. Boom, that's one wheel done. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the other 3, and then we're gonna do the rinse down and the actual like foam wash. All right, so turned out it wasn't shady enough. We had to throw up the canopy. Oh yeah, but now we're just rinsing it down before we apply the soap. That way we get all like the dust and stuff off. And you always want to rinse from the top down, because, you know, always start with the wheels if you're ever going to wash your car, because it's the dirty part, the dirtiest part of the vehicle, and you don't want to do the wheels after and then have all the dirt, like, you know, getting back up on the clean car. So yeah, we're just gonna rinse this down and I'll see you guys for the foam. So it's a little windy out here, so the foam might get blown around a little bit, but now we're doing the actual foam wash. We're using Gentle Snow Foam by Canopy. It's a really good detailing brand. They make really good chemicals. They're a little, it's like the most pricey detailing brand though that you can really find, besides like Adams. But their stuff is really good, so I highly recommend it. And it foams up pretty good, so. The pressure washer, bro, it sucks. Oh my. Alright, so first, I'm just gonna go ahead, clean off this exhaust. This Supra is tuned, so at least, I mean, the pipes aren't even really that dark though for a tuned vehicle. So, just an easy wipe down like that. Exhaust is good. And then you guys have seen this before. We use the brush. You guys saw this on the bike. We use the brush to get into like the fine details that the microfiber wash mitt doesn't get into. So like these door creases. This Supra does have a lot of cracks and crevices. It's not as bad as the McLaren I did the other day. If you guys follow the Instagram, I post some of my detail content on there, but I actually do have a detailing Instagram if you could find it. And then we get up inside the gas cap back here. And then down here we got a little crack and crevice. Give it a little rinse. Here we got a little crevice. And then the headlights. All right, so now we're actually washing the vehicle. We hit all the cracks and crevices. Just like with rinsing, you want to start top down. So do the roof first. And you really want to rinse the wash mitt like every panel or so, especially if it's a dirtier vehicle like this one. Dirty there. And then y'all saw how I just did that. I flipped the wash mitt because the other side's still clean and good enough for like one more panel. And then we want to rinse it in the bucket. Preferably, it's better if you do have a grate guard. It helps trap dirt, so you're not picking it back up when you're rinsing off the wash mitt, because that could just cause swirls in the paint. And say you got a little bit, like a little piece of dirt or a rock on there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and then I'll see y'all when we dry up. All right, now that we got the Supra all washed down, we're gonna go ahead and rinse it. And just like the wash, you want to start top down. When you're washing the vehicle, you want to make sure you're washing in the shade too, especially if it's like a black vehicle or like a dark blue or something like that. That way you avoid baked on soap, water spots. If you are washing in the sun, I recommend washing panel by panel. All right, so now the car's all rinsed off, we're gonna go ahead and dry it. I'm gonna do the leaf blower, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a microfiber towel. I'm not gonna record the leaf blower, but I'll get some clips of the drying towel. Same thing as like all the other steps. You wanna start top down. Just pull the microfiber across the top like that. I got this one on Amazon. I think this is the Hercules drying towel. It's pretty good. Better than the ones you can get at O'Reilly's and AutoZones. Those ones really suck. If they're not weave, they're really just... All right, so we got some water spots up on this thing, so we're gonna use this, the Q2M water spot removal. Yeah, it's pretty easy. You just wanna spray it on the surface. I also use an applicator, like an applicator you would use for like ceramic. And you just work in spots. I'm gonna do half the hood probably. Just kind of let it dwell onto the surface here. Boom, just like that, all the water spots are gone. I just want to use the microfiber. Kind of wipe it down, get rid of those streaks from the water spot removal. Yeah, this stuff works great. There you go, it's perfect. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there are water spots right there. And then on this side, we got them all removed. So now we're just gonna do this side, and then we're gonna do the tire shine. That's pretty much it. All right, so now we're doing the tire shine. I use the Meguiar's Hot Shine. It's pretty good. You want to spray down the sponge or the applicator, whatever you use, and you want to just apply it. I'm gonna try out the Adams tire shine next, but this stuff, I say it leaves a pretty good shine, anti-slick, so it's not gonna fling off into the wheel well whenever you drive off. But yeah, just like that, and boom. I'm gonna finish the rest of the tires, and then I will give you guys a shot of the vehicle. Boom, and just like that, guys. Just a maintenance wash, nothing crazy. This vehicle does have a good amount of swirls. It's not for me though, but I don't know if you guys saw before, but those wheels were caked. Can't really show the rear end because of the license plate, but yeah, this thing cleaned up real well. All right, so finished up the detail. I'm not gonna go film my workout because I mean I really just don't feel like it, because it's like 5 o'clock. It's gonna be 5 o'clock when I go hit my workout, and I already know it's gonna be packed, and I'm not trying to set up a tripod and all that. But I'm gonna make a little protein shake. I be using milk in my protein shake. I don't know about y'all, but especially I'm on kind of like a bulk right now. Not really a bulk, just like a slight calorie increase. We got this Rise cinnamon toast. This stuff is so good. And I'm gonna make this shake, and that's pretty much it for the video. Let me know what you guys thought about the detailing content. I mean, I like making it. It's kind of hard to make though, because you know you're working on other people's cars, so kind of filming other people's cars is a little iffy. But I mean, I could always manage, figure it out somehow. If you guys want, like I said earlier in the video, tour of like all the chemicals, equipment, stuff I use, like my setup, I'd happily make one of those. And but yeah, I mean, without further ado, you know, that does it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, a sub, comment what you guys thought. It really helps with the channel and helps me. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.